18%. One single trading session. Micron just crossed the $1 trillion market cap threshold. And most investors are still sleeping on what this actually signals. Here's what's really going on. And why the next 90 days could define whether you're early to this trade or completely left behind. Micron Technology, ticker MU, just posted an 18% single session surge. The kind of move that doesn't happen by accident. That one day of trading pushed Micron's market cap past $1 trillion for the first time in the company's history. That puts MU in the same elite club as Apple, Nvidia, and Microsoft, companies most investors wish they'd bought a decade ago. Here's the driver. AI infrastructure spending is exploding. Hyperscalers. We're talking Meta, Microsoft, Amazon, and Google are pouring hundreds of billions into data centers that need one thing above everything else. Memory chips. Micron is the largest US-based manufacturer of DRAM and NAND flash memory. And right now, every AI model being trained, every inference engine being deployed, is consuming memory at a rate the market underestimated. Analysts are now projecting Micron's revenue to hit $38 billion in fiscal year 2025. Up from $25 billion last year. That's a 52% top-line expansion in 12 months. Institutional desks were loading up on MU quietly through Q3 and Q4 2024. While retail sentiment was mixed, smart money was building positions ahead of this exact catalyst. But here's what nobody is saying about this yet. Nvidia got all the glory. And all the early money. But Nvidia sells the GPUs. Micron sells the memory those GPUs can't function without. Every single H100 and B200 chip Nvidia ships requires high bandwidth memory. Micron makes that memory. You didn't miss Nvidia. You missed the picks and shovels play hiding right behind it. The $1 trillion milestone isn't the ceiling. It may be the floor of the next leg up. If AI capital expenditure forecasts hold anywhere close to the $600 billion projected through 2026. First, look at your semiconductor allocation right now. If you're holding Nvidia but zero exposure to memory infrastructure, your AI thesis has a gap in it. Second, watch the HBM3E ramp. High bandwidth memory generation 3 enhanced is Micron's margin story. If HBM3E adoption accelerates through 2025, gross margins could expand significantly. And that's where institutional re-rating happens. Third, size matters here. A $1 trillion market cap means volatility compresses slightly compared to where MU was at $200 billion. This is no longer a small cap gamble. It's a large cap infrastructure thesis. Micron just served notice that the AI memory supercycle is real. It's here, and it's being priced in right now. If Nvidia was the first wave, Micron is the second. And the second wave is where disciplined investors make generational returns. Micron hits $1.5 trillion before Nvidia hits $4 trillion. Agree or disagree? Put your number in the comments. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.